in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP PSC 1507 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP PSC, and you're going to type in 1510 printer support. The reason you're going to do 1510 instead of 1507 is I noticed that the 1507 page does not actually have the drivers, so you actually have to go on the 1510 all-in-one printer in order to find the relevant drivers. So if you actually scroll down on the 1510 page, you'll notice that the driver is compatible with both the 1507 and the 1510 version. You would not know this unless you looked up the 1510 page, but you know, it is what it is. So they still have it on the one. So we're going to just go ahead and select the download option on the page. You can see that it was for, 1507. That was a compatible driver. So just give it a moment, and then you can go ahead and open up that file to extract it on your device. If you receive a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher from the Hewlett-Packard company. Select yes to begin extracting it. And then you just want to go ahead and select install and then follow through with the on-screen prompts of installing it and configuring it based on your preferences. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.